When India and China standoff is continue more than 1.5 years, India has deployed its latest and one of the most advanced artillery guns, K9 Vajra howitzer guns. They have been deployed in the eastern Ladakh in the height of approximately 10 to 12,000 feet. What is more important that this is the latest and one of the advanced artillery guns in the world. You can see these artillery guns can strike approximately 50 kilometers targets. They can achieve 50 kilometers of targets, and most important point is that India has deployed one full regiment of these howitzer, or you can say K9 Vajra artillery guns in the forwardmost location in the eastern Ladakh area. Right now I'm at the forwardmost location in the eastern Ladakh, and I can show you the artillery guns which have recently deployed. In 2017, in the end of the 2017, the agreement has been made of approximately 4 to 5 regiments of these artillery guns, and now India is going to buy more artillery regiments of these artillery guns to be deployed in the various locations in the LAC. India and China has long standoff in the eastern Ladakh, and when around 12 round conference have been conducted, still China has enhanced their military power in the most of the location when the bilateral talks have been concluded. That means China has been enhancing and doing something suspiciously, and that is why India has once again deployed. Mirror deployment has been done, and this is the latest artillery guns which India has deployed in the eastern Ladakh area. You have seen the accuracy. I have briefed you about the accuracy, the target range, but now I'm going to show you how this artillery gun exactly work from inside. I asked my camera person to come inside and show you how exactly this artillery gun work from inside. If you can see, this is the door from where the gunners and the people deployed in the artillery gun have been entered. Approximately 5 people work as a controller, gunner, loader, and the driver in front. That means 5 people work inside this compound. That is this artillery gun compound. Approximately 50 shells can be deployed or can be carried in this artillery gun, and once at a time. And after the fire, approximately 8 seconds after the one fire, the second shell can be not only loaded but it can also be fired. So all this process take only 8 to 10 seconds, and around 50 shells can be fired in back-to-back manner. And I can just show you, this is not only best for the eastern Ladakh area because it has the heaters, or you can say it can manage the temperature in the high altitude, but it also have air conditions, so that if they will be deployed in the deserts area, that also the crew doesn't have any problem in their deployment. And it has also capability of nuclear and biological chemical weapons. It can seal itself from each and every angle, and the crew doesn't have any problem when the nuclear or the chemical biological weapons can be fired to this artillery gun near to this location. That means this has all the advanced capabilities which help India not only in the eastern Ladakh in right now scenario, but also in the future warfare. With video journalist Virender Maurya, Sumit Chaudhary for TV9.